So when I first began my Etsy store, I actually found a few videos on YouTube that inspired me and kept me inspired while I was posting multiple listings per day for the first few months that I was on Etsy. And to be quite honest, all the hours that I put into Etsy, at first I was not getting what I thought I would back from all the hard work and all the elbow grease I was putting into my store. Now, that's one of the reasons why I'm sharing this video with you guys, because I had such a lack of motivation in the first few months, because it is a lot of upfront work and you're front loading that work, but the work will pay off in the later months when Q4 picks up and the holiday season picks up. You guys will see some sort of income from Etsy if you guys are doing everything right. And by everything, I mean SEO, title, mockups, design. If your product isn't good, I'm going to be completely real with you guys, your design will just not sell. So I began my Etsy store last year in January. That's so insane to me to say that last January, I had exactly one sale on my store. And I remember I woke up that morning and I heard the cha-ching on my phone, because that's the sound that Etsy will make when you make your first sale or when you make any sale. And now I hear it all the time, which is so cool to hear that many people are finding my store online and they're deciding to purchase my item. When I began my Etsy store, it was in the midst of the pandemic and I was cut hours from work. The days that I did go into work, we were short-staffed, so it was only you working, and the workload was so high that it was so stressful. I remember just at that time, I did not want to work in my current career path the rest of my life. Even though I went to school for 5 years to do what I was doing, I was unhappy with my life, and I didn't understand why I was unhappy with my life, because I was making a very nice income. There was something that just wasn't fulfilling to me in my current occupation. And I'm going to be completely transparent with my numbers in this video. Revenue is basically the total net sales that I am making on my Etsy shop. Profit will be revenue minus all of my transaction fees, all of my supply fees, all of my advertising budget, all of that we are accounting in this video today. My profit is essentially about 20 to 30% of the revenue that you guys will see throughout the video. My monthly breakdown for this video. So in January, I only had one order, which is so insane to think about, because this January, in comparison, I've had 713 orders on Etsy. And from what I was told when I was beginning on Etsy is January is your absolute slowest month. It starts picking up a little bit in February, and then it goes up from there once March hits. In the summer months, those are slow months as well. So it's so insane to me that I only had one order. And I remember I woke up the morning of my first order and I heard the cha-ching and I was like, oh my gosh, what is that noise? Come to find out, it was my first order on Etsy and I was so ecstatic about it. In February, I had 35 orders on Etsy. Then March hit, I had 189 orders on Etsy. April, 590 orders. May, 696 orders. June, 555 orders. July, 602 orders, August 750 orders, September 764, October 769 orders, November 1,223 orders, and then December 1,081 orders. You guys probably want to know is what strategies and what practices should you guys be doing? And first off, I just want to say before I get into that, hit that subscribe button, because I am posting every Monday and Thursday for the next few weeks on how you guys can grow a successful Etsy business at home and with relatively low cost. The best practices that you guys should be doing right now is, first of all, start that Etsy store as soon as you see this video, because the one thing that's most important is that you start today. The second thing that you want to focus on is posting a lot of listings. And again, I have a free 30-day calendar and PDF for you guys. I have a weekly post planner where you guys can plan out all of your listing ideas so you don't stress too hard on this idea and you guys are just staying consistent and keeping yourselves accountable during posting. The most important thing to think about is that you guys are only one listing away from your best selling item. And I heard that so many times when I started on Etsy, but it is so true, guys. It's literally so true. I remember that I was just posting. I did so many listings for one niche alone, and there was one item that I thought was the ugliest design that I had ever done, and I decided to post it. And guess what, guys? That was my best-selling item. So you guys can do the same exact thing I did. I'm literally giving you guys the blueprint to creating a successful Etsy store on my channel. So just keep watching videos, keep trying to follow the strategies I talk about, because they are strategies that are proven to work. Literally, I've seen so many stores blow up with the same things that I've done, and you guys can do too. You guys can start this at any time. It's never too late to start an Etsy store and to start a business. The other tip that I have is you guys want to find a niche that you all are passionate about. Think about what you love to do and what is true to yourself. Try to design in that niche and find a Facebook group online that you are as passionate as those group members. I'm always open to new suggested video ideas, so please let me know what you guys want to see next. What questions do you have? I can make a whole video about it. You guys have seen on my channel, I have multiple videos about multiple different areas in the Etsy and print-on-demand world, and I only have more videos to come. So remember to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.